From the makers of Cyberlink is a 10,400 milliamp, 1500 amp jump start. It's not just a jump start, it's an air pump, a light, and more. Let's unbox it, show you what you get inside the box, and what it's all about. This is a 6-in-1 jump start. It comes with a nice carrying case from Cyberlink. It's a jump starter, air compressor, a blower, emergency light, pressure measurement, and power bank. On the top of the unit, you have your hoses for your inflating of your tire, bicycle, and more. In this small velvet bag opening up, 8 different attachments to the inflator pump, a USB-C to A cable, adjustable tube, and your jump start cables that plugs into the device with nice large opening clips. And your main device, the Cyberlink power bank, power charger, air inflator, and more. You have a handle to carry, a swivel, you have your on and off button, a nice large display with the BAR for the air pressure, the mode, the plus, the negative, and the light switch. On the front of the unit is your light, your red light, rapid red light, and off. Changing the M changes to the motorcycle, bicycle, basketball, soccer, volleyball, football, and blower. Pressing the on and off switch puts the blower on and off, as well as the air compressor and more. On the front of the machine, you have your inflator and blower and your jump start area. Everything you need to know about your jump starter has an instruction manual that you can simply go over in detail. Inflating a tire, you simply grab the orange area and the threaded area and screw in. We're going to set up our tire for 36 psi by turning on the unit. To the car, changing the mode from motorcycle, bicycle, to the car, long pressing for psi at 36.5 to 36.0. With the valve stem, simply slide in, lock close, turn the machine on. Our pressure's at 27.5 that we read, and pump up to 36.0. When reaches 36.0, the machine shuts off automatically, and your tire is inflated by simply pulling out the stem valve knob. When completed pumping up your tire, simply shut the machine off and unscrew the valve and put away for the next time. If using the hose to blow things off, simply find the proper outlet, plug in, grab a hose that you're looking for, and screw on. Remember when attaching to put on and twist to the side so it locks into place. Deflate. All done? You got your bag airtight. Clean up the area with the blower. Blow up an inflatable bed, a raft, and more, pillows and cases. Out and about in the field, you have a USB-A port. You simply plug in the unit. You have a USB-C port. You simply plug in, unit automatically starts to charge. When going over to the vehicle to start your car, simply take the leads, match like for like, plug in. The unit makes a beep, turn the unit on. Go over to your battery terminals and hook up. You are ready to start your car. When finished, simply disconnect. Take apart. Shut down. And you're ready for the next time. Battery booster, flashlight, tire inflator, deflator, power bank, and more. This is a household and automobile kit for your car and needs. Jumpstart a car, inflate a tire, deflate a mattress. Enjoy your product if this is something that you are looking for in a power kit. Thank you for viewing.